So let's say that 3 years from now, COVID is no longer a concern. It's possible to administer it in person, back with the 5-section format. Presumably, they would go back to the tablet, which they had recently switched to. Would you want to see a flex, or would you want to see the 5-section exam, or would it not be a huge difference to you?
I think it wouldn't be a huge difference to me. I think if I learned anything under these circumstances is that providing flexibility and options for students going forward is very important to be more inclusive of everyone's situations or circumstances, no matter what. So I do think that providing more flexibility is what's needed. And this was an extreme circumstance, but as we move forward, I think we have all learned the importance of really being more flexible in the way that we approach the whole process.
Yeah, no, that's nice to see. So I'm guessing then that, as with every other law school I've heard about, any flex results that somebody submits either now or in the future will be treated the same from an admissions perspective as the regular 5-section LSAT.
Correct. I mean, I think most admissions officers are, at least from what I've learned, have evaluated in the same way. And we have at this time no indication to look at it any different. I mean, it's only been provided twice, but at this time we don't really need to be looking at it differently. We understand the circumstances that students are going through. And if anything, I think from an admissions perspective, when we're evaluating candidate, we are living the circumstances with the students. So just having the option of actually taking a test and putting themselves through a test under unprecedented circumstances, I think is already, the best option available. So is it the best option long-term? I don't know. We'll see the numbers and analytics. I mean, to an extent, the in-person test has had many more years of data and testing. And the questions are no different for the LSAT-Flex. The format is different. So we'll have to see over time how that fares in terms of reliability when it comes to bar passage and other factors that we consider in the admissions process.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.